We've now got our floor and our foundation all put together, and we're in the next phase of the build. Now, in the first video, I mentioned that this tiny house is going to have a special fun theme, but I didn't tell you what that theme was, and I'm still not going to tell you, but I am giving you a hint. So if you can figure it out, good for you. If not, keep watching as we continue with the build. I got 3 pieces of the wall ready. I'm going to build the other 2 to 3 pieces that I need of wall, and then it's going to wrap around, and then we're really going to see it start to take shape. So that's a stink bug. So as you can see, my trailer is not really level yet. I'm going to have to raise the right side up a little bit. And to do that, I'm going to use temporarily my little handy dandy jack. Yeah, I just want to lift it maybe 1 inch to 2 inches, if that. I don't want the wheel certainly to take off the ground. But this way, if I'm working with a completely level, flat trailer, everything will be a lot easier. Now let's check our handy dandy level bubble. And it is not even close yet. Alright, now we're going to get this. I think that will do it. Yep, pretty much it has. Maybe another push or 2. Holy crap, this is tall. Oh, that is tall. I could have gone the 6-foot route. I just am too lazy to cut all the pieces. It's dumb. I know it's dumb. But it'll feel big inside. That's one good thing. Now we're going to need the level, because I have to level to see if that is perfectly up and down or not. Holy crap. Look at this. Wow. And now we'll come over to the side. And we'll see how level it is. So that's pretty close. That's pretty darn level. I wouldn't really mess with it much now. I think I'm gonna nail it, screw it in place as is. Okay, so now I'm just screwing down this first wall in place into the lumber above the trailer. Like this. Kind of hold it in place. Oh, you saw the pitch. Alright. Now I got any freaking nail through holes. I think next I'm going to build an astronomical clock. Here's everything I do, so you can go in circles. Oh, great. So if you're finding this video funny, entertaining, and a little bit helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'm the Glamp Man, and let's continue with the video. So it turns out it's going to be raining all through the weekend starting tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what I decided to do, it's actually really nice weather. There's not much of a breeze. It's not even that cold right now. So I put a new spotlight above my garage, and I'm working outside through the night shift. And I'm making great progress. Basically, look what we have. Almost the entire frame. I'm now doing the wall with the large window, and I'm about to put that window in place, raise that up, connect all four, and we have an enclosed tiny house. So, strangely enough, it did not rain today, and it was predicted to rain all weekend, but it turned out to be a nice sunny day. So, I've made now the decision to add a window to this wall. I was gonna do it originally, then I decided not to. Save time, complications, but I just know in those hot summer days, you're gonna want to cross breeze through the windows if possible, and I don't think one window was gonna do it, even in such a small space. So, I am going to have my little Anderson window right there. Dang it! It's so unfortunate that my battery died when I was putting up this wall, because it was really an adventure. Because what had happened, if you remember, it was lying here on the floor, and when I went to lift it up and push it up in place, what I forgot was that since I put this window in place, these doorknobs are sticking out. So I got to here and I couldn't push it any further. But luckily, because I had to take part of this wall apart, I had some space. So I just diagonaled it a little bit, got it through here, and then was able to push it up and put it into the floor. And the other funny thing was, I don't know how this happened, but one of these beams that I had put on top, I wasn't screwed down one side, and when I undid it, it fell, bang, and landed right on top of the window that was here. Thankfully, the window didn't break, so I got like, what, 7 cat lives left, I think. Take that, Alex Hormozy. By the way, this is my new DIY kind of cutting wood apron. How do you like it? It's just a blanket. I use a bungee cord, tie it around the back, and then when I cut wood, I don't have to get all the sawdust and everything all in my shoes and socks and pants and underwear, and kind of like not a cooking apron, but a cutting wood apron. Alright, now let's see how our front door fits into this picture. If my mother is watching, I'm going to go get my back brace. See, Mom, safety first. Enter stage right, Nadia. Whoa. Almost did a tumble saw. I just need to have you hold this. Come down. It shouldn't go nowhere. Just in case. You gotta hold it. Push. I've mentioned this in a previous video, but this is what I use to carry the plywood by myself. It's kind of like a little grappling hook. It's so helpful if you're a guy, girl doing this on your own. Get one of these. What is it? Gold Blatt. And it was about 22, 25 bucks. But you'll see how I can carry the plywood by myself with this little device. And I'll leave a link in the description in case you're interested. So if you're curious, this is the paint I'm going to be using. This is a polyurethane industrial maintenance enamel, industrial strength. So it's not something I recommend. I am not putting the link for this in the description. Don't use it. It's too chemically. I'm just, you know, do what I say, not what I do sometimes. That's kind of how it is here. But the good thing, though, it lasts forever. It'll probably deteriorate my lungs, but it will last forever. So long after I'm gone, this tiny house will still be around.